Hi David, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly go over a few things that you can do to your website to help you start ranking higher up on Google and start bringing in more business. So I've got your website up here. I like your logo right up here. I would advise adding your phone number really big right up here at the top, just so it's easy for clients to see as soon as they click on your website. Sometimes that's all they want is just a quick phone number to get to. As we scroll down, we've got a little bit about your services here and what you offer, so that's really great. Some nice pictures coming through. Your website's really sleek and simple. It's very nice to look at. It's not overly crowded by any means. It's pretty personalized, which is always nice too. You've got your family here. That's always great. And a call to action button. This you can always move up to the top too, just so it's readily available right up here at the top. Or even like your chandelier and specialty lighting stuff, you can move that closer to the top as well. It's great that you've got these here, different ways for your clients to connect with you and follow along. Some blogs stuff, educational stuff, that's always nice too. And then your contact information down here again at the bottom. Also really nice, it would be good to add some service pages as well and have more information with quality content about all the services that you offer. It would also be good to add some service area pages as well so that you can start ranking for those too. Now, aside from having a nice looking website, what Google really cares about is content. And they want you sitting between a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark on your home page. And so I've gone ahead and put your website into what's called wordcounter.net, and this is a free tool. And as we can see, you've got about 498 words on your home page. Now I've also put in Mr. Sparky, who's one of the top competitors in the Fort Worth area. And like as you can see here, they've got their service pages too. But I put them into wordcounter.net, and they are sitting at about 647 words on that home page. So neither one of you is close to that 1,500 mark, but they're outpacing you by just a little bit right now. So again, what you can do is just up that content there, and then make sure we're sprinkling in some keywords on this home page as well. So one of those keywords can be Electrician Fort Worth. So this is something that some of your clients are going to type into Google to try to find you. And if these are listed on your page, Google's going to send crawlers through your website to read those, and it's going to help you rank for that. And so an easy way you can do that is like under this, you can do Quad2 Electric LLC, the Electrician Fort Worth loves. Simple way to get you ranking a little bit higher. Right up here, and then again sprinkle those organic keywords throughout that quality content on this home page. Now the next thing that we're going to touch on is backlinks, and a backlink is just a shout out from another website. And so Google really likes shout outs from other websites. It's similar to a popularity contest, and it just lets Google know that your site is trustworthy and relevant, but Google's also going to check those backlinks and make sure they're trustworthy and relevant too. So just remember, not all backlinks are created equal. Now this is the tool that I use to check backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. And really quick, we're going to touch on your UR and DR rating. So your UR is your trustworthy rating, your DR is your power rating. We want these numbers to be pretty close together, and these are influenced by your backlinks, and your backlinks come from your referring domains. And so I've also put Mr. Sparky into Ahrefs, and as we can see, their trustworthy rating isn't very there's no data for it, and their power rating isn't very high, which means that some of these backlinks probably aren't as relevant to them as they should be. But what you can do is click into these referring domains, and you can just get yourself added to these same ones, because if they're ranking them, they're going to rank you too. And all you have to do for that is sometimes you just register an account, sometimes you just email the owner, sometimes you do pay a monthly fee for some of them. But it's worth it when you start to rank higher organically, because this organic traffic is the number of people that are looking at their website every single month. And this starts to equate to this real money here coming in from your website. In comparison to yours, you don't have any organic traffic at this time. And you also have no organic keywords. So another way to kind of boost those keywords on your homepage and in that quality content is to come in here. If you look, this electrician near me, 215,000 people are searching for that a month. So you can sprinkle that into your content. Again, electrician near me. So you can go through this whole list here. You can kind of sort through it and find ones that are closer related to maybe services that you specifically offer. But again, like electrician DFW, this is searched 40 times per month. So those are things that you can add into that quality content and start ranking for. And when I say that you're going to start ranking organically with that stuff, what I mean is ranking right here. And so I went and I looked for your website. I got to page 2. I couldn't find it. I didn't go any further past that because clients generally aren't going to go any further past page 2. A lot of times they don't even leave page 1. So we really want to be ranked right up here in this first, second, or third position. And then the last thing that we're going to touch on here is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. And how you get here is by creating a profile, filling it out all the way, and then getting your citation put into a whole bunch of directories. Now your citation is just your business's name, phone, and address, and a directory is something like Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, things like that. And so what I would do if I was in your shoes is I would find out all the directories that the top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added to those exact same ones. And then I would go above and beyond that. And if they're in 150, I'm going to get myself added to 200, 250, 300, and really blow them out of the water. All right, David, just a quick recap. We really want to get that phone number right up here at the top. We want to increase that content to 1,500, and then we want to sprinkle in some of those buyer intent keywords throughout the web page. After that, we want to increase our backlinks and start bringing up our trustworthy rating and our power rating with Google, increase our organic keywords, increase the organic traffic, and start bringing in more money. And then lastly, we touched on the local map pack here, getting a profile made, filled out, and getting our citation in as many directories as we can. So that's all I've got for you. Hopefully that was helpful, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.